Welcome to another Tech Wars, where I will be mentioning two different communication tools, Teams and Google, the advantages and contributions both had, and explain a little about the main functionalities of each one. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share the video if this is interesting for you. As I said, my name is Mauricio, and I'm a QA at Advancio. I've been working in the company for about 4 years, and I've been in different teams using different platforms for communication within the team, included Microsoft Teams, Slack, Telegram, and why not WhatsApp and emails as well. But we are here to talk about Microsoft Teams and Slack. We will be trying to compare based on my experience. I'm not like a really expert on these technologies. Communication is really important between the teams, and we need these platforms to communicate within the team members. That's why we use these tools. It's like a chat, but we have the option for having different groups for the different teams, or to maybe schedule some important meetings, make video calls, and it has taken more relevancy during the pandemic, but we all went to work remotely. Both of these tools share almost the same functionalities. With those, we can communicate within the team members, we can share files, we can schedule our meetings, uh, and what we can ask anything to anyone. We can create new chats with the members that we are choosing for maybe handle some concerns or for meetings. And well, let's go deep into the details for every one of these tools. In my experience, the first team that I've been working with and my first project, we use Slack as mean of communication, but other teams that I've been working with as well, I've used Teams, and well, I can make some comparison, but at the end, both of the tools share almost the same functionalities, and they both work for the communication within the team. So why don't we continue into the next section and see more details for any of the points of both of the communication tools. Regarding collaboration, we can make sure that both of the tools have this uh, feature. We can tag, we can mention any of the users within the team. So he can receive a direct notification about the certain concerns or situations that we want to make sure that the other user needs to be aware. So basically, this is a draft within these two tools. And well, since we have a draft from this point, I think both of the tools can have a 5 out of 5. Okay, next point is integration. Both of these tools can be integrated with external services or other applications to improve the user experience. And well, as far as I know, Slack has more flexibility on this situation, it can be more integrated and customizable. So basically, I think Slack has won this round. And for the punctuation, I think Slack can have 5 out of 5, and Teams Microsoft can have 5 out of 5. Next point is accessibility. On my experience, I think both of the application has very intuitive interface. It's easy to access to any of the sections, to the files, to the different chats, the groups. So basically, I think both of them are sharing the same situations. So I could say that it's a draft 2 for this point. So basically 5 out of 5 for both of the applications. Next point that I want to mention is the productivity. So basically, every team using any of these tools will be increasing their productivity because of the improvement of communication and all the features that are offering. So I'm not seeing any difference in using one or other tool, because at the end the productivity will be improved with any choice that the team lead or the tech lead will take about the communication within the team. So this can be also a draft for both of the tools and pointing them as 5 out of 5 for each of them. Okay, next point, an important one, is about the cost. Both of the tools have free versions, but they have limited features. But if you want to improve or upgrade your tool, you can start paying. Both of them you pay for user, and well, for a small research that I performed, I saw that for Teams is $3 for each user, and for Slack is $7, around $7 per user. So that's what I have for this. And well, basically for this one, the point is 4 out of 5 for Slack and 5 out of 5 for Microsoft. So Microsoft Teams is the winner for this round. And last point that we'll be talking about is about security. That same as the previous points, both of the tools are sharing almost the same features. Both of them are really secure. Both of them offering multi-factor authentication. But Microsoft, since well, it is Microsoft, it offers slightly more security features. So for this one, I think Microsoft Teams will be winning this round. And well, I can point them as 5 out of 5 for Microsoft and 4 out of 5 for Slack. And well, as a conclusion, after review all the previous points and seeing that both of the tools are almost the same, I think the opinion can differ from user to user and from team to teams. And on my end, I'm going for Slack because of the integration. It has more integrations, with more flexibility, with more applications. It can be more customizable. And well, about Teams, about Microsoft Teams, well, if you already are using all the Microsoft suite, I think you don't need to search for more and use these communication tools because it is included into the suite. But well, I think it depends of the team, as I mentioned. As we wrap up for this episode of Tech Wars, we hope you enjoyed our exploration of the expansive topic of communication tool, and we hope that you learned something new. Join us into the next episode of Tech Wars, where we'll discuss the topic of business intelligence. And if you have any opinion, don't hesitate to comment below which one you think is better. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. And visit our webpage below. And thanks everyone for watching this video. Goodbye.